This Valkenburgh and Wilkinson Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Lauren Kattos. Old brick 2-story home on cul-de-sac in South Huntsville area just minutes from Redstone Arsenal Gate 3. Tried and true floor plan with main level guest room feet. Full ensuite bath, office, large great room west/fireplace, and lots of closets for storage. Even a laundry room with chute. Upstairs you will find a huge primary bedroom with glamour ensuite bath and walk-in closet plus 3 other large bedrooms, a bonus room, large closets, and unfinished walkout attic. Perfect home for buyers needing multiple living spaces and storage. Subdivision includes pool, clubhouse, and stocked pond with proximity to Aldi, Ditto Landing, Greenway, Walmart and restaurants. West/D/fridge remain. Bookcases upon request. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Lauren Kattos at 256-539-0505.